We are at the Sydney Football Stadium for FIFA World Cup 2023. This is my first time looking at behind the scene. There's so much cabling work for the media, and I can't believe that I was able to be a part of this. Yeah, it's so exciting and thrilled to be here.
We're just doing some cabling at the press conference room. It's amazing to see the work behind all these big events, like how much cabling there is.
My dream is to be able to work in IT, especially cybersecurity. This opportunity has granted me access to real-life working experience in a big event such as FIFA Women's World Cup in 2023. Thank you, Cisco. Writing down some MAC address and the serial number for the access point. This opportunity to witness firsthand the inner working of FIFA Women's World Cup 23 has been an incredible privilege for me.